Your Excellencies, these young people represent our future, and they are counting on us to act on this call.
Good afternoon, my name is Hania and I'm from Poland.
Bulavinaka and a good afternoon to all of you ladies and gentlemen. My name is Timothy and I am from Fiji.
We call upon heads of state and government to maintain climate action at the top of the political agenda.
We call upon parties to work closely with non-party stakeholders to enhance global ambition by 2020 and to develop long-term low-emission development strategies.
We call upon government and international agencies to step up financial, technical, and technological cooperation.
We call upon private sector leaders to be drivers of change.
We call upon civil society leaders to marshal the public and political will needed to drive action.
We call on spiritual leaders to unlock spiritual pathways for addressing climate change.
We call on the youth of the world to mobilize at a larger scale to ensure that their future is secure, and we call on everyone to engage with the concerns that climate change poses for the youth.
We call upon everyone to act with agency and recognize that we are in a race against time. We must act now to ensure sustainable development and the preservation of life on Earth as we know it.
We call upon everyone to take forward a clear signal from the Talanoa Dialogue.
We call upon everyone to take forward a clear signal from the Talanoa Dialogue.